Introducing Catalina's new 6 Series with the 2025 Catalina 426, available for order now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. This beautiful 2025 Catalina 426 is the first available in the United States. The 426 is an evolution of successful design, features, and proportions. Moderate beam carried well aft for a spacious cockpit, moderate freeboard for reduced windage, pleasing exterior appearance, and an innovative and beautiful finished interior. Over the past 54 years, Catalina has offered the sailing community timeless models with great sailing performance and has been an innovator with its design features and solid construction. Designed and built in the United States, the new 6 Series showcases legendary quality, craftsmanship, and value, along with a focus on improving performance, technology, and true American luxury. The 426 delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate. She has a wide, fold-down transom which creates a huge swim platform for easy boarding and relaxation. The Catalina 426 has a spacious cockpit with twin leather-wrapped stainless steel wheels and is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing. There are abundant features that make sailing the 426 a dream, even sailing single-handed. The beautiful center table is easy to move around, both open and closed. It has a large storage area and has easy-to-reach handrails that adds to the safety and security of this vessel. At the starboard helm, there is a Garmin autopilot control, bow thruster control, and windlass control, making the 426 safe and easy to maneuver, dock, and anchor. A easily viewed Garmin 12-inch multifunction display is mounted at the cockpit table. Below this is a Yanmar engine controls and display. At the port helm, there are 2 Garmin instruments and the Fusion radio control. The main sheet and jib sheets run back to the helms and are easily controlled by the primary winches at each helm station. The cockpit features 6.5-foot long seats, and the starboard seat converts to a double berth or a deck lounge. This vessel boasts an unobstructed commanding view from the helm, improving safety and the sailing experience. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to easily accessed and controlled Lumar electric winches mounted on the starboard cabin top and a 2-speed Lumar winch mounted on the port cabin top. Moving forward is the wide, clear weather deck design with single shroud point for convenient foredeck access. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass and the large anchor locker which is below the deck hatch. The deck features flush hatches that keep lines from catching when sailing and is easy to move around. New with the 6 Series is the introduction of the new Sheldon rig, which was developed as a state-of-the-art rigging system that maximizes performance and ease of use. The new Sheldon rig features advanced materials and engineering techniques, resulting in a rig that is both lighter and stronger. Heading below, the companionway is wide and open with plexiglass hatches and doors, which contribute to the feeling of a unified space between the interior and exterior. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable, with easy entry on the wide and gradual steps. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, and the saloon is bathed in natural light. To starboard is a comfortable settee, and to port is a beautiful and inviting U-shaped settee. The beautiful table can be used in a closed position or the open position, and the height is adjustable. The main breaker panel is both visible and easy to access above the starboard settee. The spacious U-shaped galley includes solid surface countertops and offers a double basin stainless steel sink and a stainless steel front opening refrigerator. A large, easy-to-access freezer has a countertop opening, and the stove is a gimbaled Force 10 3-burner stove with an oven. Just off the salon is the aft head, which is a bright and spacious space that features a solid surface countertop, beautiful sink, electric toilet, and a shower. Moving forward is a spacious master suite and has a centerline semi-walk-around queen with drawers underneath. To starboard is a sizable hanging locker. There are multiple hatches and ports allowing plentiful amounts of light to enter the cabin. This cabin includes a generous and very functional private head that includes an elegant sink and electric toilet. The walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful high-end fixtures and a plexiglass shower door. The ample aft cabin to starboard is bright and comfortable, that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. The aft port cabin is also a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room and gives the option of a cabin with a settee or a berth. Additionally, this cabin is equipped with a sizable hanging locker. For owners or guests, these cabins are the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The central accessible mechanical space provides excellent access to primary engine, generator, water heater, air conditioners, and other mechanical systems. The 426 is powered by a Yacht diesel engine and is equipped with a Fisher Panda generator. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Catalina 426 strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort and can take you anywhere you dream of going. Contact Little Yacht Sales and let's discuss building your new Catalina 426.